Hi everyone! Welcome to my mini vlog. Today is Saturday, so it's another palengke day. A large chunk of our expenses goes to food, but it's also one of the area of our budget we can easily reduce if we want to. That's why we make a weekly meal plan to make sure we are not overspending on food. Another way we do to lower our food budget is by going to the local market, kasi much cheaper ang fruits, meat, and vegetables doon compared sa mga supermarkets. It might not be the most convenient option kasi aside from mainit ay madaming tao at siksikan. But for those who want to save from food expenses like us, this might be a good option for you too. Fresh na, mura pa. Di ka nga lang fresh pag uwi. And for this week, we only spent a total of 442 baht, which is approximately 700 pesos. Not bad, diba? Kayo, what do you do to lower your monthly expenses? Comment down naman below because sharing is caring. Fighting! Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog.